Hi, this is Chandrasekhar. Welcome to Mathchandra. Next, fifth chapter, Arithmetic Progression, Exercise 5.1 lo, third problem. For the following APs, write the first term and common difference. First problem, 3, comma, 1, comma, minus 1, comma, minus 3, and so on. Here, first term, A1 equal to A. This is 3. Common difference. D equal to A2 minus A1. Here A2 is, this is A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4. Here A2 is 1 minus A1 is 3. 3 నుంచి 1 subtract చేస్తే minus 2. This is common difference. First term is A equal to 3, common difference D equal to minus 2. Next, second problem. Minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7, and so on. First term, A equal to minus 5. This is A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4. Common difference. D equal to A2 minus A1. Here A2 is minus 1 minus A1 is minus 5. Minus 1 plus into minus plus 5. 5 నుంచి 1 subtract చేస్తే 4. This is common difference. Next, third problem. 1 by 3, comma 5 by 3, comma 9 by 3, comma 13 by 3, and so on. First term, this is A1, A2, A3, A4. First term, A1, A equal to 1 by 3. Common difference. Common difference, D equal to A2 minus A1. A2 means 5 by 3 minus A1 is 1 by 3. This is like fractions. Common LCM is 3. 5 minus 1 is 4 by 3. Common difference is 4 by 3. Next, fourth problem. 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9, and so on. This is A1, A2, A3, A4. First term, A1 equal to A equal to 0.6. Next, common difference, D equal to A2 minus A1. Here A2 is 1.7 minus A1 is 0.6. 1.7, 0.6. 7 and 6 apply చేస్తే 1, 1. 1.1. This is common difference.